In this activity, students learn to draw a picture for the expression and write a word problem. So this is 2 times 10, which means there are 2 groups and each group has 10 in it, and the question would be how much is the total. So this is how students will work. The expression 2 times 10 shows 2 groups with 10 objects in each group. So my picture would be, I'll make 2 baskets and place 10 eggs in it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 baskets and 10 eggs in this basket and 10 in this. Now the word problem can be Jane has, let's put number, 2 baskets. She placed 10 eggs in each of the baskets. So this is the information. So the word problem has information and there is a question. So right now Jane has 2 baskets and she placed 10 eggs in each of the baskets. That's the information. Now the question is, how many eggs does Jane have in all? So 2 times 10 is, this is the variable we need to find out, which is 20. So she has 20 eggs. Let's take another example. 4 times 7. The expression 4 times 7 shows 4 groups with 7 objects in each group. So my picture, let's make cakes. So Mary has 4 racks and she placed 7 cakes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cakes on each rack to cool. Now the word problem is, we talked about Mary. Okay. Mary placed 7 cakes on each of the 4 racks to cool. So this is the information. She placed 7 cakes on each of the 4 racks. Now the question is, how many cakes did she bake in all? Here are the directions. Students can work independently reading the directions. Teacher exemplar sets expectations, and answers, they may vary because word problems would be different, but these are just sample problems that students can use to write their own problems.